Hi, this is Wayne Bilal, and welcome to September 2014 Innovative Small Business Magazine. This one is very important if you're a business owner. In this one, we're talking about gross profit. Yes, I just bored you and put you to sleep. But in reality, that's the number one thing that makes your business profitable. Every business owner starts to learn about accounting, whether they want to or not, because accounting and straightforward is the language of business. All right? But 90% of business owners look at the top line, sales. Your banker and your accountant look at the bottom line, which is net profit. But if you want to make money, where you're making money is gross profit. So please look at the articles, because that is the secret key to making money. What is gross profit? Gross profit is the cost, your sales minus the cost of delivering the product. And I want you to check out a couple of things. I put a mini case study in the article attached to the article that says the secret key to profits. Watch that one, because I've run into this a lot of times where I have somebody have an increase in sales and a decrease in bottom line. And the reason is profits. What were gross profit? Whether they're not managing that. And you can't manage something you don't understand. So if you look at it, walk through the article, be sure this month to watch the case study. Watch that video. You also want to watch in the editor's choice. We also put how I can increase sales is the wrong question, because I get somebody ask me, how do I increase sales? And I'm usually telling them, well, why do you want to increase sales? And they look at me like I'm crazy. And really what it comes down to is they don't want to increase sales. They want to increase profit. All right? So watch that video and it'll show you where, yes, you do want to increase sales, but you want to increase high gross profit sales. All right? The third article I want you to pay particular attention to is discounting, and why discounting is often the wrong choice. And pay attention to that one. It'll show you that a lot of times you're much better off increasing prices. And then if you watch the video, we talk about, if you're going to have to discount, why it's so important to actually do upsells and cross-sells in order to keep your margins up there. This is a particularly important editor's choice one. So this is one that you ought to look at and learn more about. All right. While we're at it, our main mission is based on our motto of good ideas plus action equals massive profits. So we've covered our main areas, which is sales and marketing, managing your money, managing your business, and taxes. So there's a few articles that I would pay attention to. The 3 major rules of having a successful USP. We've covered unique selling positions a lot, but in that article really goes into 3 major rules you need to pay attention to. Why recurring revenue is key to having a successful business, and why you should be sitting down and looking, why do you think the success of subscription models right now? Because of recurring revenue, and why you want to look for something. And that article is really worth looking at. 4 customer service questions that you must answer. Right? That article is really good. And some tax breaks that are disappearing, maybe. All right? Right now there's a lot of tax breaks that are ready to go. We're taping this in September. It's getting close to tax planning season. So if you're not doing tax planning, that means you're not taking advantage of the IRS's year-end tax sale. And there really is one. We're going to be talking about taxes as we always do in our November issue, so pay attention to that. And don't forget the homework at the end of the month. This magazine is different from all others, because what we're doing is we're not just giving you the ideas, we're giving you the ability, the action points that you need to implement the ideas. All right? So make sure you print out the homework and do it. That's definitely important. And that's what separates this from just about every other magazine out there. Finally, there's a couple of buttons on this page. Subscribe if you're not. Help us out by subscribing so you don't miss anything. And if you have any ideas or complaints, we'll take them. Recommendations, subjects you'd like to see us cover, or if you're interested in just volunteering or an article that you want to submit to us, we'll look at it. Hit the contact button and send it to us. And of course, if you want to advertise, we'll take that too. Hey, until next time, this is Wayne Bilal again saying, let's make this our most profitable year ever. Thank you very much.